Just remove the cover, take the top part, pop it off, slide it out, take your old filter out. This is the new one I just put in. Pop it on there, hook it in. Mine's a little tricky on this part. There you go. This is supposed to fit the Briggs and Stratton models listed here. It's supposed to be a genuine part. It shows you on the back to just pull it down, slide it in, put the cover back on. Simple as can be, I hope. It's simple to take it off. Here's the instructions. Here's the manufacturer's information. I have a Troybilt TB320. Needs cleaning up. This is what I'm going to replace here. Just comes off.
Check in the text below and I'll provide a link where you can also buy this product or similar.
Goes in like that. Then you've got the little ledges that go in. And they pop back on. That's simple.
Now I'm going to show you how dirty the filter got on my Troybilt TB320 and what cleaning it up did.
I think I found out why my mower's not working. Thank goodness for YouTube. That's pretty nasty, isn't it? I'm hoping I can buy another one, but in the event that I can't, I'm going to see if I can clean it. Thank goodness for YouTube. I found out that this is where the air filter is. I think this is my problem, because look at that. I think I put too much oil in it. And clean it up, clean that filter. Guess I can't find another one. Let's see what happens. I did wash the old dirty one just in some hot water and Gain dishwashing detergent. Got most of it off, but it still smells bad. But I didn't want to throw it away in case I couldn't get one. So I'm glad I got a new one. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video if appropriate.
If you have time before you go, watch another video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.